Welcome to Protect 90, your tool for protecting the surfaces where you live, work, and play. Protect 90 enables you to protect your surfaces against the growth of microorganisms. Everything that you need to provide enduring microbial prevention on high-touch surfaces is in this box. Before we dive in and use the product, you need to go through the online training session. This is very important as you need to handle the ingredients properly and know how to apply Protect 90. This is a very simple step that will take you less than 10 minutes. First thing you need to do is examine the bag containing the active ingredient. Ensure that it is not leaked. If it is leaked, return to your distributor. If all is intact, it's time to get to work. The paper attached to the ingredient is very important. It's called the label and contains all the safety and handling information in full detail. It's a good idea to read it carefully. There's a lot of information to digest when it comes to using Protect 90, and we've assembled the core documents for you. First up is the instruction sheet. These are step-by-step instructions for mixing and handling of the active ingredient. A very important point is making sure you're wearing your gloves, mask, and glasses when you start mixing the active ingredients. Gloves, start with those. Once you have the gloves on, next up, N95 mask. Right side up with the little metal clip. I think we're all pretty familiar with these now. And then last thing, your goggles so you don't splash in your eyes. All right, we're all set. Now that we have our PPE on and our gloves and our mask and goggles, you grab your 32 ounces of water. You want it lukewarm, just from the tap is fine. We like to measure it so we get the right amount. What you want to do is pour that into the bottle, fill it up, give or take halfway is what you want to get to. Try not to make a mess. Once you're about halfway, take a break. Grab the bottle of the active ingredient, remove the cap, and carefully add this to the mix. With that, put the cap back on this bottle, set it aside and you can discard it later, and then top up the spray bottle with the water, again from the tap. When you get it close to the top, leave a little bit of room there. Put your spray nozzle back on, tighten it up. Then you want to shake it or swish it around for about 10 seconds. This ensures we have a good mix of the contents, gets it all mixed in there. Then we are ready to go to apply to hard and soft surfaces with Protect 90. Okay, quick Protect 90 demonstration. We have on our gloves, goggles, mask, so we're all PPE'd out. Make sure you have the nozzle set on the spray. It's pretty simple. Spray the target surfaces, the high-touch surfaces that you want to apply, and just wipe them all off with the microfiber cloth, ensuring you don't leave any watermarks and leaving it nice and clean. And it's the areas you want to touch. So if you think about it, you don't just touch a doorknob, you touch the area around the doorknob. You don't just touch the arms of the chair, you touch areas around that. So you want to spray and wipe all of those areas. Some more high-touch surfaces in the bathroom, things like the tap that we touch, the sink itself all the way around. Just a quick spray and a wipe so you don't see any watermarks. We do quality work here, nice and clean. Hi, another quick demo with Protect 90, product that you can use for your hard and soft surfaces for surface protection. For things like electronics, rather than spraying them directly, we generally recommend spray the cloth so that you can wipe onto the surfaces rather than spray into the electronic equipment. But if it's things like tables and countertops, you can quite literally spray it and wipe it so you're not leaving any marks. This carries over to things like refrigerators and fridge handles, where you can spray it on your handle or on your cloth and spray the handles. But you're also going to find you're going to have lots of product left. You're going to have product for more than just the areas you originally thought. You may want to consider some of the other high-touch surfaces in your office, maybe your vehicle, maybe at home. So Protect 90, highly versatile product, included as part of your program for cleaner, safer environments. So Protect 90, also good for things like keyboards, of course. Again, you don't want to spray directly into the keyboard. There's lots of cracks in there. You don't want to spray into the electronics. Just spray your microfiber cloth and wipe it across the entire surface. And as you're doing so, dry it off. Make sure you don't leave any watermarks. This will do a great job. Number one, clean keyboard, but protect it. Touchscreens as well can be treated with Aegis. Do not spray the screen, just spray it on a rag, wipe it, and make sure that with your cloth you dry it off so you don't leave any watermarks or streaks. The surfaces you want to target are those which many people touch many times. Surfaces like doorknobs, tabletops, controls on microwaves, light switches, flush levers, and more. Protect 90 is going to protect your surfaces for about 90 days. Set a reminder to reapply in 90 days to continue to ensure your high-touch surfaces are protected. When we're all done, add a sticker so we can let people know Protect 90 is protecting these surfaces.